Hello, lovely year 7s and 8s. It is me again, back with your design and technology project for the next couple of weeks. You're going to be making Rube Goldberg machines. This video is for lesson 1. I did this project a couple of years ago in school. Everyone had loads of fun doing it. And actually, I thought it would be a great thing for you guys to do at home. So me and Mr. Middleton have had a good old chat about this, and you're going to learn about a couple of sort of theory kind of things that will be helpful for design and technology. But actually, we're going to grade you on your final machine. So the more exciting it is, the better. Anyway. Lesson 1 is, and I'm just going to be like looking at my computer and going through the PowerPoint. So if I'm looking in this direction, that's why. So you've got a picture of Joseph, and he's got a YouTube channel. I think it's called Joseph's Machines even. You might have seen them. You might already know what a Rube Goldberg machine is, but I thought I'd use his picture as the sort of describing photo. So there we go. So this lesson, you're going to be finding out what is a Rube Goldberg. You're going to watch some video clips of different Rube Goldberg machines. Most of them are from films, but the one at the end is a really great music video that's just mind-blowing. You're going to be learning about simple machines. You're going to be doing a little worksheet, doing some work on paper, and then you're going to be trying to think of different things that you've got at home, because there's actually loads of stuff that you can use to make simple machines, which will then become part of your final Rube Goldberg machine. Sorry, I lost my train of thought there. So, the first slide just talks to you about what a Rube Goldberg machine is. So, there we go. Second slide is all the different video clips. Now, if you have any trouble accessing these, I will send you the links. Just email me and I'll send you a list of links for you to click on. So the first one is from a film, I think it's called Pee-wee's Big Adventure, and he makes like this mad breakfast machine. The second one is Roland Emmett. So he's actually really famous. He had like a big exhibition in Birmingham a good few years ago with all of these machines from the film Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. If you haven't watched it, it's a really good film. You should watch it. But like all of those machines were real and they were in an exhibition. It was really exciting to see them. The third one is from The Goonies. Don't know if you've ever seen The Goonies. The second one is from Joseph's Machines, and it's another breakfast machine. Sorry, the fourth one even. Then the fifth one is again one of his. It's a toothbrusher. And the second one, not the second one. Oh God, I'm completely losing my train of thought. I have to say, I'm doing these videos to help you, but it's quite hard to make videos and not make mistakes. So I apologise for stuttering or getting things jumbled up a little bit. So the sixth one is, another Joseph's machine, and it's called the Page Turner. Then we've got Wallace and Gromit. So that isn't real life, but it is stop motion. So like those, you know, they do, even though it's not people, it's still, you know. And then the 8th clip is this band called OK Go. And you can watch more of their videos actually, because they quite often do these Rube Goldberg things, and they get a whole warehouse. I have no idea how long it takes them to set up, but they are amazing. So you're going to watch all of those, and hopefully that will start to get the old cogs turning. Get some ideas happening. So next slide just explains what simple machines are. So the word machine is coming up a lot. Rube Goldberg machine, simple machines. But that's actually like a proper term used in design and technology. So it explains what those are. Then it lists all of them and what they are and examples of what they are. So there's 6 of them. And then you've got a sort of a picture with 9 cartoons, okay? And I need you to go through, and I've put an example of how I would do this, like, so how I want you to set it out on paper. I want you to go through and label them 1 to 9, going across 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and write which simple machine is in each cartoon. And then I want you to write down each simple machine and think of objects that you could use at home to make them. So, and this will make sense. I'm going to get, and I shouldn't give you an answer, but as an example, an inclined plane, you could get an old bit of wood, stack some books, you've got an inclined plane. You could get a brick, got a book, you've got an inclined plane. There you go. You can basically use lots of different things to make these simple machines. A pulley, if you've got an old reel of cotton, obviously it's got a little hole in the middle. You can put some string through that. You've got a pulley. Amazing the things that you can make at home, eh? So then I've put an example on the next slide of how I want you to set your page up, because I know a lot of people, for the Surrealism project, you were emailing saying, do I print the booklet off? What do I do? So I've tried to make it a little bit more simple, with more examples this time. I'm learning as I'm going along as well about how to do things at home. So bear with me. If you've got any constructive criticism, please email me and let me know. If you think, oh, do you know what, miss? For the next project, if you did this, it'd make it a lot easier for us. Tell me. Okay, that would be helpful. Feedback is very, very, very helpful for teachers at the moment. Anyway, so there's an example. And that's it. That's the end of lesson 1. Okay? So I'm going to stop this and then make another video for lesson 2.